What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with amazing fundamental news. I will show you several new price targets that were made by famous analysts. And I will show you that Goldman Sachs is very bullish on BABA right now. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, when we hit roughly $108 price point, and I've told you that we have completed all 5-wave structure right here, and we have to have a retracement, and this retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. And let me show you this tool. And to project the bottom of the C wave, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and project the length of the A wave from the top of the B wave. And we had $105 as the one-to-one extension, and it was the price target of the bottom of the C wave. And on top of that, right here at $104, we had 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level that I pulled from this bottom to this top. And it is a very good confluence range, and I've told you that most likely we should hit this range, and we hit it. And I have to say that we broke this range to the downside, had a good bounce, and for now we are hovering exactly at this range. So, what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the news. What was the reason of this recent sell-off? And let me show you first of all this article. We are on benzinga.com. And this article was published on April the 7th, and it says, why Alibaba, NIO and Pinduoduo shares are falling today. And let me quote you this. Alibaba shares are trading lower Thursday alongside several other Chinese stocks as COVID-19 cases continue to climb in China, causing prolonged lockdown measures in Shanghai. According to a Bloomberg report, China is banning flights at the fastest pace since January amid the rising COVID-19 cases. 6 airlines were reportedly issued 1-week bans within 4 days. The surge in cases has led US companies in China to reduce 2022 projections. The increased uncertainty is weighing on several Chinese stocks. And definitely the zero cases COVID-19 policy in China affects the activity of all the sectors that are situated near Shanghai and in Shanghai itself, because it is the main city when China has a huge increase, relatively huge increase in cases of COVID-19. Definitely, it will affect the fundamentals of these companies, and for now, not the real impact from COVID-19 affecting the price of BABA, but the uncertainty on the market, and that is why we have this movement to the downside. So, and let me show you some positive news. We are on marketbeat.com, and we have, since I made my previous video, we have several new price targets that were set by analysts. And as you can see, we have Citigroup, Benchmark, HCBC and the Goldman Sachs Group that made their recent forecast on BABA. And 3 out of 4 companies lower the price target on BABA, but as you can see, even HCBC's price target has about 50% of upside potential, and other companies made the forecast from 59.46% of potential profits up to 105.5%. But I want to pay your attention on the Goldman Sachs Group, and it is their first coverage, as you can see, and they set the price target to $185. And it implies about 78% of potential profits from current ranges. And let me show you some interesting detail. Right here on fintel.io, on the list of institutional owners of Alibaba, you can find that on February 17th, Goldman Sachs made new filings. And as you can see, they reduced its long position by 17%, increased their position with put option by half and slightly reduced their call option position by 7.5%. And I have to say that according to this information, this company was quite bearish on Alibaba at the time of roughly at the end of 2021 and at the beginning of 2022, because we have these filings that were made on February 17th, but we have to remember that these filings were made about 45 days after the deal itself, and this means Goldman Sachs was quite bearish on Alibaba at the end of 2021. And if you divide the value of their position by number of shares, the average price will be about $118. And definitely, for now, they are still in red because the current price of BABA is roughly $103. But with this forecast, definitely they see huge upside potential on BABA. And in my opinion, it is a very good sign that more and more companies are making their new forecast and these forecasts are quite bullish. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, 1-to-1 extension of the C wave compared to A wave is the most probable range of this retracement, but nothing is set in stone, and we also have 1.618 at the price point of roughly $96 and even 2.618, and this is extremely rare retracement, but it is still possible. And I want to pay your attention not on these levels, let me turn off this tool for now, but on these Fibonacci retracement levels. And I've told you on my previous video that the range of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement at the price point of $104 and next one at 0.5 at the price point of $98.43 might be your accumulation points if you want to catch the next leg to the upside. Definitely, for now, we still have even the golden pocket range, and it is the price point of in between of $90.84 and $92.46. Statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And if we will go this deep, depending on upcoming news, definitely this range is the most probable range where we might see the trend reversal. And this range, if we will hit it, will be a huge buy signal for a lot of institutional investors. And that's why, if you want to enter your position, just ladder your buys down along these levels. And you might wonder, what are the targets? For now, I have to say that we have to break this previous swing high. It is the price point of $138.81. And if we'll go lower, we might have up to, from our current price, we might have up to 33% of upside potential. But if we will go lower, and from the golden pocket, we might have up to 50% of potential profits to this swing high. And definitely, in the medium and long-term perspective, in my opinion, this company is still very attractive because the delisting fears for now, I think, is off the table. And that is why the ranges below $110 might be very attractive price for entering the long position with this asset for the long term. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.